Hello, my taste buddies. Today I'm going to share with you my go-to banana bread recipe that's healthy, gluten-free, and made with 100% oats. I like to prepare all the wet ingredients first, so put 4 ripe bananas into a big mixing bowl. One teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 to 3 eggs, 250 grams of coconut sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 180 grams of melted butter, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 218 grams of Greek yogurt. Just mix them together until combined. Now add 135 grams of rolled oats and 225 grams of oat flour. I made my own oat flour, but you can just use the store-bought ones, no problem. I added around a cup of chocolate chips, but it's optional. You can add any mix-ins you want. Almost forgot. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda sifted. That's very important. Carefully combine all the ingredients together until they're well mixed. This recipe is enough for 2 medium loaf pans, but this time I wanted to make banana bread bites, so I whipped out my cute Madeleine pan. The reason why I wanted to make these banana bread bites is because of those little crunchy edges on the sides. When you almost overfilled them at the start, it's my favorite part. It's crispy, chewy, and it just adds another layer of texture. Now for the medium loaf pan banana bread, while they're cooling, remember to take them out of the pan and remove the parchment so the bottom doesn't get soggy while they're cooling. Just take a look at this texture. You can see the little speckles of oats. The texture is soft, slightly chewy, and you really can't believe that this is healthy. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you give this a try. Until next time.